Hello friends, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's practice that will release tension and stiffness out of your hips and lower body. Big focus on hamstring, hip flexors and quads. Sit on your heels, spine nice and tall. And setting the intention for today's practice. Big breath in. And as you exhale, let's begin. Get started today at back of your mat. Bring your hands behind your lower back. Interlace the fingers. Extend your elbows. Open up the chest. Arching your spine. Deep breath in. And deep breath out. One big breath in. As you exhale, bring your head all the way down. Forehead down on the mat. Take your child's pose. Fingers reaching up towards the sky. Nice stretch on your shoulders. Exhale, let go of your arms and reach them forward towards the front of your mat. Take a deep breath in. On your exhalation, slowly begin to round forward until your hips come all the way down towards the floor. Find your back bend. Gentle cobra. Stretch. Micro bend in your elbows. Inhale. Exhale, releasing the chest all the way down. Now let's go ahead and bend your left knee. Grab your left ankle with your left hand. Slowly stretch your leg. Stretching your shoulder. Right hand extend for support. Inhale. And exhale back to center. Now simply begin to pull heel towards your glute. Keep your spine neutral, head is down. With each exhale, try to bring that heel as close as towards the glute. Slowly release and switch side. Bend your other leg, grab your foot with your right hand and slowly start stretching your leg. Left arm on the mat for support. Feel your shoulders stretching. Inhale. And exhale, lie down on the mat, back to center. Pull your foot, pull your ankle towards your glute. Keep your head down, forehead down on the mat. With each exhalation, trying to get closer with that heel towards the glute. Exhale, release, slowly bring yourself up into upward facing dog. Opening through the chest, lift your torso and thighs. Breathe here. And slowly push yourself up into downward facing dog, releasing your toes, pedal your feet here. Tailbone up, chin to chest. Roll your biceps out. Try to reach your heels down on the mat if this is available today. Otherwise, it's fine. Now when you're ready, reach your right leg up towards the sky. Try to keep your hips square. Bend the knee. Open the hip. Point the toes behind you. If this is enough, you can stay here or go ahead and reach your right leg behind you. Find your wild thing pose. Opening the chest. Deep breath in. And slowly returning back to center, reaching the right knee back up, and from here step it forward and over to the right side of your mat. Drop your back knee down, press your left hand into the mat and push your right knee with your right hand, releasing any tension in right hip and pushing the pelvis forward. Breathe here. Sinking your hips low. Don't push too much. Now take that right hand towards inside of your right foot, finding your lizard pose. Continue to stay here. You can also come down on your elbows if you want to, depending on how your body responds. Breathe here. Beautiful. Now slowly extend your right leg, square your hips, flex your front foot, walk your hands back, bring your hips all the way down, come into seated position. Keep your spine straight, just bend your right knee. Now grab that foot with your left hand, extend the leg slowly, reach your right arm back, gaze towards your right hand. Finding your twist. Left knee still bent. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, release back to center. Keep your left leg where it is. Bring the sole of your right foot near your left inner thigh. Now just start walking your palms and try to lie down on your mat. Stay on your elbows first, if this is enough. Or you can go all the way down with your shoulders. Sit bones grounded on the mat. Reach both arms up and over your head. And grab the opposite elbows. So wherever you are in this posture, just hold there. If you have any knee issues, then stay on your elbows. This is quite a deep stretch. So listen to your body, please. Focusing on sensations, observing your breathing. Okay, exhale, just release. Come onto your elbows first and then back up to your hands. Extend your right leg first. Both arms up to the sky. Place your hands on the floor and push yourself up. Lift your back knee and then just step back into plank. When you're ready, first find your low lunge. Plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, lifting through the heart. And push yourself back into downward facing dog. Press those heels down. Let's breathe it out here. And now switch side. Bring that left leg all the way up. Bend the knee, open the hip. Left foot pointed. Release your foot all the way down to the floor and then lifting the chest and hips up towards the sky. Wild thing pose. Come back through one leg dog and then step your left foot in front of your mat. Drop your back knee down. Finding a lizard. And let's begin to push that left knee away from the body with your left hand. Open your heart, your chest, gaze up towards the sky. And observe how your body is feeling in this particular posture. Sink your hips low. Breathe here. One deep breath in and take that left hand inside of your left foot. Focus on your pushing pelvis forward. Focus on your right hip flexor. Breathe here. Now once you're ready, slowly extend your left leg, flexing your left foot. Hips are square. Now walk yourself back, hips down on the mat. Align yourself first and start bending your left knee. Keep your spine straight. Right knee still bent and grab your left foot with your right hand and start extending that leg. Find a twist. Left hand back and breathe here. Big breath in. And now from here, drop your left leg down and bring the sole of that foot near your right thigh. Hips are grounded. Just come down on your elbows first. Make sure your right heel is along the opposite of your right hip. You can stay on your elbows or you can release and go all the way down over your back. Reach for your opposite elbows. Again, if you feel any sort of pain, simply release this pose and relax. Really allow the connective tissues to begin to release. Focus on your inhalation and exhalation. And slowly come back up on your elbows first. Extend your left leg. Reach your arms up. Press them on the mat, bending the front knee. Lunge position. And step your left foot back for plank. Exhale Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And exhale downward facing dog. And from here slowly drop your knees, sitting on the heels, lifting your torso up slowly. And now drop your hips on the right side, extend your both legs. And slowly lie down on your mat. Bring your knees towards your chest and cross your legs, grab your opposite foot. Inhale and exhale, switch side. Inhale, exhale, extend your legs. And slowly, very slowly, bring your legs down on the mat. Bending your knees. Open your knees out wide and find this butterfly pose. Palms facing up towards the sky. Close your eyes and welcome the positivity into your mind, into your body. Thank you so much, guys. Stay home, stay safe. Namaste.